Clear nail polish is a versatile product that can be used to protect nails and as a base or top coat for other colors. If you're looking to save money, you can easily make your own clear polish at home using either clear or white school glue mixed with water or hand sanitizer. If you're using clear school glue and water, the ratio should be 3 parts glue to 1 part water. To make clear polish using glue and hand sanitizer, add both ingredients in equal parts. Apply the homemade polish in thin layers and let it dry completely. Once your nails are no longer tacky, then the polish has set. Clear polish made at home should last for 4 to 5 days. If you want a pop of color, you can use the homemade polish as a base coat, painting over it with another nail polish. Whenever you want to get rid of the top color, just pick along the edges of your nail with some tweezers to peel the polish off easily, with no nail polish remover required.